Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can capture a single frame for your edits in CapCut PC. So if you want to screen capture a scene of your edits, here's how you're going to do that. First, you just need to drag this white line in here, this time on the timeline to where you want to do the screen capture. For example, I'm going to go in here. Then here on the media player, clicks on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and there will be this option to export still frames. Click on these options, and this you can see the CapCut PC will automatically capture the frame. Here you can change the name and use the export the file path. You can change the resolution in here and the format, and after that you can just click on export. So the still frames is exported, and you can just find it in the file path before in your file library. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.